In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to follow and gain followers on Depop 4. We'll walk through a simple, reliable way to discover accounts you love and follow them, which also helps your own shop get noticed. Start by logging in at depop.com. Make sure you're signed into the correct account so your follows and any activity save properly. Once you're in, head to the Depop homepage where you can buy, sell, and discover unique fashion. At the top of the page, look for the search bar. This is your main tool for finding people and products. You can search by username if you know the exact handle, by hashtags if you're exploring a style or niche, or by item keywords if you're shopping around. Using terms like baggy jeans, vintage tees, or Y2K can pull up a lot of relevant listings. Hashtags are especially useful when you want to tap into specific aesthetics or trends. After you've run a search and found an item that matches your taste, open it to make sure it's from an active, credible seller whose style you want to follow. When it looks good, click Add to Bag. Don't worry, you're not committing to buy right now. Adding the item to your bag creates a quick path to learn more about the seller. Next, click your bag icon to open it. Inside, you'll see the item you just added. From here, you can also see the seller's profile information associated with that listing. This is a handy shortcut when you discover a great piece and want to explore the person behind it. Click on the seller's profile to open their shop. Take a moment to scan their feed, reviews, and overall style. If it aligns with what you like or sell, click Follow. Following relevant sellers helps tailor your feed, keeps you in the loop on new drops, and increases the chances that the community you're engaging with will check out your profile too. A few quick tips to make this strategy work harder for you. When searching, focus on the styles, brands, and hashtags that match your shop's vibe. Consistency helps you find the right circles. Add items to your bag as you browse, then use your bag as a staging area to quickly jump into seller profiles and follow the ones that fit. The more intentional your follows, the more relevant your feed becomes, which makes it easier to engage meaningfully and be discovered in return. That's it. Log in, search smartly, add an item to your bag, open your bag, visit the seller's profile, and follow. Keep repeating this with accounts in your niche and you'll build a high-quality network that can help you grow.